Good morning, student. Last class we studied about the change in budget set. So there are two reasons to change in budget set. One, when the income changes, another one when the price of the commodity changes. When income changes, it can be increasing or decreasing. The income of a person, it may be increasing or it may be decreasing. Both will affect the consumer budget set. When income of a consumer increases, for that particular consumer, the availability of goods, it will be higher or more amount of commodities are available for the consumer. At the same time, when the income of the consumer reduces or it decreases, the availability which are there for the consumer, it reduces. When income increases, availability also increases. When income reduces, the availability also reduces. After that, we gone through the graph which explain about the shift in the budget line. So when there is an increase in the income, you can see the graph B, panel B. It shows what happened when there is an increase in the income. When M is greater than M1. M1 is new income which is increasing. When income increases, budget line will shift towards right side. You will get the new budget set, that is from M bar MP2. From that it will shift to M1 bar P2. So when there is a increase in the income, the budget set will move right side. And the same time in graph A you can see when there is decrease or reduction in the income, the budget set will shift towards left side, that is in the graph A, when M1 is lesser than M. Today we are going to study about the effect of change in the price. So I send it the notes to all of you. So I hope you got the notes. So write down the notes after completing this portion. After this video, write down the notes, draw the graph. If you are having any confusion, you can ask with me. And one more thing, when you are drawing the graph, when in income budget set shift, it should be parallel. The difference between the two line, it should be same. ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ MP2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳದ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ದ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ change in the price. So I said when there is a change in the price, it will affect for the consumer. If price of one particular commodity reduces, the consumer will get more options. He will get more amount of bundles which are available for the consumer. And the same time, when price increases, the bundle which are available for the consumer, it reduces. So it is having inverse or negative relationship. When price reduces of one particular commodity, the availability will increases, and when price reduces, the availability which are available for the consumer, it is going to be increased. This is a relationship. Suppose the price of apple change from P1 to P1 dash, that is P1 to P1 dash, but the price of mangoes and the consumer income remain unchanged. So this is an important point. So you have to write it down. First point, it is an important one when you are explaining the theory. Here, when the price changes, only the price of one particular commodity, that is OX, apple price changes. mango price and income of the consumer remain constant. There is no changes in the price of mango and income of the consumer. Only the changes will be there on the price of apple. If the price of apple increases, if P1 dash is greater than P1, the absolute value of the slope of the budget line increases and the budget line becomes more steeper. Steeper means there are two kinds of line. One is steeper, another one flatter. So what you see in first graph, it is a steeper line. Steeper means more congested, steeper. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೀಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲೈನ್ಗಳು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೀಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟರ್. ಫ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಫ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಓ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರುವುದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಓ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, both the lines are far from the OY axis. If it is near to the OY axis, we will call it as a steeper. If it is away from the OY axis, we will call it as a flatter. Why we are using steeper and flatter in this graph? Because both the lines will start from one point. It is not having different points. So previous graph it had 2 points, but this graph having only 1 point. It is starting from one particular point. So that's why we will use here steeper and flatter. So when the price of one particular commodity, that is the price of apple increases, the line will become a steeper. Steeper means the price is increasing. That means now you have to consume less commodity. The availability of the commodity is reduces. That's why it moves towards your left side steeper line. If price of the apple decreases, now the price of apple decreasing. First graph it is increasing, second graph it is decreasing. Now P1 dash is lesser than P1. The absolute value of the slope of the budget line decreases and hence the budget line becomes flatter. Now when the price of the particular commodity reduces, the bundle which are available for the consumer, it is increases. So that's why it will move towards right side and it will move as a flatter. More than the steeper, it become flatter. So that you can see in graph first and graph second. In graph first, it is having steeper line. So remember, steeper line means price is increasing and bundle which are available for the consumer is reducing and line moves toward your left side. And at the same time, when the price decreasing, the line become flatter and it will move towards your right side. An increase in the price of apple makes the budget line steeper as in the graph A, that is first graph. A decrease in the price of apple makes budget line flatter, that is in the graph B. So steeper and flatter. I hope you understood with the concept and you are clear with the concept. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask with me, you can clarify your doubt. The changes in the budget set, you have to write 2 points. That is what happens when there is a changes in the income. In income, when the income is increasing and when the income is reducing. Next concept, when there is a changes in the price. When there is a changes in the price, again 2 points. What happens when the price of one commodity increases and one commodity price reduces. That you have to explain. So thank you students.